Wigma!
Okay guys, I just want to start this video by saying that I am in no way sponsored by HTC or any of their products or any company. What's up everybody, True FNG here, and today is the day of the surprise. As you can tell, there are two lovely boxes behind me, and let's just say the Santa came early this year. He really did. And I really think y'all are going to enjoy this as much as I am. So let's go ahead and open this up. Luckily, I already know what's in here, so we're going to open up the big boy first. Which, you know, normally you'd want to open up the big one last, but I know what's in here, and I'd rather y'all see the real magic of it first. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this beautiful package box open. Woo! There we go. I was expecting this to get here earlier today, and then I was going to put it in a live stream, but FedEx took their lovely time, and yeah. But we're here now, so it's okay. It's okay, and make sure, before I show y'all what's on the inside of this box, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe with the notification bell so you get notified when we get to actually play with this. So, with no further disruptions, let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Woo! Go ahead and toss that over there. Make us some room. Beautifully bubble wrapped. And here we go, boys and girls. Boom! That's right, baby. The beautiful HTC Vive. I'm so pumped to freaking open this and hook this thing up and test it out so we can get playing together, guys. I have such huge plans for this, and I can't wait for y'all to join the journey. So make sure, if you're seeing this review and you want to see this in action, make sure you give me a subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when you get to see the first stream of me first testing this out. I've never used VR before, so it'll be a learning curve, and it can actually help some of y'all out there who are new to it as well and wanting to get into it. So that's most definitely going to be beneficial. So we'll open that up here in a minute and look at what all is inside. But for now, let's go ahead and see what's in this next box. This is something I didn't need, but, you know, what do we really need? They tape these things up real nice. Okay, there we go. Packing slip. Let's put that over there. Close the knife before I, cut myself, because I'll bleed to death. Let's see what's in box number 2. Boom. Go ahead and throw that over there. Woo! We also got the deluxe audio strap, which kind of replaces the back part and adds in headphones, and from what I've heard, it's a lot more comfortable with this on it. So let's actually start by opening this up while we're here. That way you save the meat and potatoes for last, you know what I'm saying? That way we can kind of compare it to what the head strap that comes with it is. Okay, so you open it up, and it gives you kind of directions on how to set it up. Then when you pull this out, it's actually sitting on a plastic container, and it comes with all the papers and wires and stuff you need. But as you can see here, it is flexible. It's like a kind of hard rubber kind of thing. Not really full plastic, but like a tough rubber. And then the headphones, as you can see, they're squishy, so they have a pretty good amount of cushion right there. And you have your little audio plug-in for when you plug it into the actual main headset. So let's put this back in the box for the moment being, and let's open the Big Daddy. See here. Gonna have to cut all this stuff off. But yeah, I was gonna open this and do this live on a live stream, but you know, FedEx wasn't wanting to work with me or telling me when it would get here. What time, I should say. And I know a lot of my subscribers are actually in in the UK or Poland and all that other stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. And kind of like in the attachment, you have like a folder, and it has papers and stuff in there that show you how to hook it up and download all their special software and all that. Okay, so let's start with the sensors. So you get two with this, and as you can tell with the plastic wrap on it, they're pretty good size, you know, compared to my ginormous head. But you hook them in the back, and which you just have to hook these to power to plug them in, I believe. These transmit wirelessly, and you got two of them, of course. And let's go ahead and go to the special controllers. Okay. These look weird, and everyone says that they feel really great, especially with these new bands. And they honestly feel really good. Like, these controllers just in general look like they would be uncomfortable, but you know, they actually feel really good. Have nice clicks. And they're not off-weighted. Like, you'd think they would like tip down because of this enormous circle, but they're actually balanced really well. So this is really good. Let's see, let's put these over here. And then it's time to bring out the Big Daddy himself. It looks like it's really packaged up well. And so as you can see here, you have the front with the camera. Then you have the back strap here, which is where that other piece comes in handy, because this is more of just this is basically just flexible cloth. Basically what that is. So this is going to be a little bit front heavy. So hopefully that harder rubber material replacing would have will make it a lot better and more stable. Plus it has built-in headphones too. So these you'd have to, with the original, you have to wear it without it, or wear your own headphones. But let's see. You got a pretty long cord. And then as you can tell, it comes shipped with the lenses protected. So that is most definitely a good product. Okay, let's go ahead and sit Big Daddy over here and see if there's anything else inside of here. Should be all the cords and stuff like that, yes. So one thing I love about this company is the chargers for the controllers. They could be cheap and just give you one, but HTC actually gives you two. So that is most certainly a great thing to have. That way you don't have to charge one and then wait to charge the other. You know, you can charge them both at the same time. And then here is a power cord for the actual box. So, and you get two of those as well. Here's the second one. And then here, looks like we have the brackets. Yes, so you get brackets that mount right to the wall. And And if y'all want to see an installation video, make sure you drop a like and comment down below, and I'll show you how a noob can really hook this up for the first time. So that'll be great. And then it comes with 2 cords. It's like USBs. So those go for the block, or these go to the blocks to do your controller. To hook into your controller to charge that. Let's see, I think that might be it. Nope, we still got some more goodies. Okay, I almost forgot about this. So we have the like donger of sorts, and it's basically where you hook in your headset into this, and then this hooks into your computer through USB and HDMI and all that good stuff. And this is the charger for that. So, and it actually looks like these use the same charger, which they do. So that's actually good. So if you lose one, you know, you can at least still power it on. And then, let's see. You got your 2 cables, USBs. So and HDMI. So these go into here. These go here to go towards your computer. Comes with a lovely cleaning cloth for your to clean your own lenses on your headset, and they recommend that you only use those. You get a couple HTC Vive stickers and the directions. So this is actually really exciting, if nothing else in here. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and make sure if you want to see how I set it up, leave a comment down below. And I just want to say that I am not sponsored by HTC. So this is an honest opening and will be an honest review in the future after I've tested it out. So definitely look forward to having y'all join the stream and join the family. So come on down and let's have some fun. True FNG out.